In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video, set it to autoplay and loop in Squarespace. Start by signing in and opening your website dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Pages so you can choose where the video will live. Pick the page you want, then click Edit to enter the page editor. This is where you can add new content and arrange your layout. Add a new section to make space for the video. Choose Add Section, then select Add Blank so you're starting with a clean canvas. Inside that empty section, click Add Block and choose the video block. Squarespace will drop in a placeholder. Click the highlighted area to activate the video options and bring up the editor panel. Now click Add a Video. If your file is on your computer, choose Upload File and let it process. For projects where you've already uploaded media, you can click Add a Video again and choose Select from Library to reuse an existing file. If you prefer to embed from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, click Add a Video once more and use Add from Link, then paste the URL. If you open something by mistake, use Close or Cancel to return to the block without making changes. These controls just help you move in and out of the picker without losing your place. Once your video is in place, click the video block itself to open its settings panel. This is where you can set how it behaves on the page. Look for playback or design options that include autoplay and loop. Turn on autoplay so the video begins as soon as the section loads, and enable loop so it restarts seamlessly when it finishes. Many browsers require autoplaying videos to be muted, so consider enabling mute to ensure consistent behavior, especially on mobile. If your site uses background videos, these typically follow the same rules, and keeping them short and low file size helps pages load faster. Take a moment to preview how it looks on desktop and mobile. If the video doesn't start automatically, check that mute is on and that any browser settings aren't blocking autoplay. When you're happy, click Save to publish your changes to the page. That's it. You opened your site, went to Pages, edited the page, added a blank section, inserted a video block, added your video by upload, library, or link, adjusted autoplay and loop in the block settings, and saved your work. With these steps, your Squarespace page now features a clean, continuous